We're in June. We wrote it down in January. We 6 months in. Like, Bookie, what's your excuse? What exactly are you waiting for? Your camera? Your hair to be done? Your life to get not boring? Girl, make it that! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, we're here to talk about how you can start your YouTube channel that you're supposed to start in January, but we're in June. At the top of the year in January, when the fireworks were sparkling, when you felt like the world was your oyster, and you just started writing stuff down that you was gonna do for this year, and you wrote YouTube channel, start YouTube channel, and you still haven't crossed that out for your list. It's not crossed off. It's still on there. It's still warm. You want to start content creating. This is your year. We're 6 months in the year that you thought was your year. Where's the channel? Well, it's okay, because sometimes some goals you gotta repeat it. Some goals gotta be repeated year after year after year after year. Mine's is driving school and getting my license. Every year since I was 16. Today's the day. Today is the day. By the time you finish watching this video, I don't know if it's gonna be 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I want you to do everything I said right after, and then boom, just like that, you have everything you need. You probably already have everything you need. You probably just procrastinated just like me. You probably have everything you need, watched all the videos, did all the things, and you just still haven't started. So hopefully this video is the final push that you need to start your channel today. Some goals are meant for the last half, so maybe this is it. It's summertime. You're probably going outside more. You can create more content. This is the time to do it. Let's get started into how to start your YouTube channel, how to create it, what you can do today, the apps to download, how to edit, all that. First, pick a channel name. Pick whatever name that comes to mind. I know a lot of people are stuck at this point. You haven't picked the channel name, so you feel like you can't start. You know how much people change their YouTube channel name? The name that you start with might not be the name that you finish with. There's a lot of big YouTube creators now that you refer to them as the name they are now. They was not that name when they started. And that's okay. You just have to start. To be stuck on something that's not permanent is crazy. Like me, I did Aisha Ali. I just wanted an A and an A. Aisha Ali. The more you grow, you're gonna actually know what you want, and then you can change your name into what you feel like it should be. But if you don't know, you haven't started, how are you gonna know what your name could be? You have to start somewhere. So you create an email. I created a whole brand new email for this YouTube channel. If you already have a channel, you already did these 2 parts, you don't have to redo it. Me personally, I have too much emails. The emails that I have already be getting a lot of stuff. So I didn't want to mix it with my YouTube stuff, because I'm manifesting. I'm gonna get big. I need a separate email for my YouTube stuff. And with that email, I created a YouTube channel. So now that you got your channel, period, we're moving on up in the line. Profile picture, a nice cute selfie. Don't have to be that deep. You probably already have a cute picture of yourself in your phone already. As far as for your banner, like the back, like the long part when people click on your channel, my banner is black right now because I really don't know what I want for my banner, and that's okay. It could be black. But if you do want a banner, download CapCut. CapCut is a great app. It has a bunch of templates. Like, you don't even have to make it. You don't even have to edit the stuff. CapCut is so good that you just pick the pictures that where you want to put them. Edit the text. But everything, the format is already laid out for you. So you can go in CapCut and find a YouTube banner and just put your picture in it and type in your name, your YouTube name that you decided, and boom, you download your banner, you upload it to YouTube. It's easy. It's really easy. Like, you don't even have to do too much editing for that. And if you do want to do your own banner, you could do that too on CapCut as well. Just like that, you have a YouTube channel. Whether you post content or not, that's your choice. But right now, after all these steps, you have a YouTube channel. Let's get into the content that you need to put on your YouTube channel. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos where they're saying like, oh, you need to have a niche, you need to have a niche. You don't need to have a niche. You don't need to be put inside of a box. You don't have to make one type of content, especially when you're starting out with YouTube, because you need to figure out what works with the people who's watching you. Okay, so you need to try anything and everything. And like Disney Channel, You're a channel. You're a show for people to watch. You gotta entertain. So here's the easy way to figure out what you want to make content about. And this is how I decided how I want to make my content. Find 3 characteristics about yourself and try and make content around it. For example, me, college student, Albany student, NYC, in my 20s. Those 4 things about me, right? College student, I can make a college advice video, 4 a.m. routine video, my college routine video, day in life as a college student, going to Albany, everything to know about Albany, my class schedule in Albany, what I eat in a day at Albany, my life in NYC, trying food spots in NYC, going to tourist places in NYC, in my 20s, figuring out life in my 20s, friendship in my 20s, school in my 20s, life in my 20s, advice for 20-year-olds, advice for anybody under 20 because you done already passed that stage. So you see how many videos I can make off of those 4 categories of myself? Find 4 categories of yourself, brainstorm different ideas, search on YouTube. That's the best thing about YouTube. You don't have to create a new formula. The formula is already out there for you. You just need to watch people. You need to find people who's doing the things that you want to do and see what they're doing. See what works for them. See what you like about what they're doing and do that for yourself. But don't copy them. Now let's get into recording your first video. You do not need a fancy camera. You do not need $1,000 camera to record your first video. You're probably watching this on your phone. Your phone has a camera. Use that camera. I was using my iPhone 13 Pro for most of my videos, my old videos. So if you could go back in my channel and you look at my old videos, that was the iPhone camera. And it was perfectly fine. The only thing I didn't like about the camera was figuring out how to set it up. I didn't have a tripod, so I had to like stack it on everything. And on top of that, I had to always make sure I was centered and I couldn't see because I was using the back camera because the back camera is the clear camera. It was a lot. I had to do it because I didn't want to buy no $1,000 camera, especially when I wasn't being consistent. You have to give yourself a goal, and then once you reach that goal, you can buy your camera. There's a lot of people who bought a camera and it's just collecting dust. So my advice is to see if you actually like content creating. Even though you put on your New Year's resolution, even though you think you would like content creation, you won't know if you like something until you do it. So record on your iPhone camera, see if you like it, see if you like editing. Like, it's work that comes into this. You gotta edit your videos. See how you feel about posting on YouTube, and if you like it and if you're consistent with it, then boom, you go buy a camera. You grow your content. You have a phone though. If you really want to start, you will start with your phone. What if you end up not liking YouTube? Now you spent $1,000 on a camera that's collecting dust like the 500 other people that did it. Go on your settings, go on camera, and turn on your grid. Turn on your grid. You see the lines on the camera? That is what you need to turn on, so you can make sure that you are centered every time you record on your phone. So when you record sideways, you always make sure you're in this area right here. Your face is always in this area right here. And then you just gotta get used to you using your back camera. There's a lot of influencers who just use their back camera and don't even have a camera. Literally, look at the camera quality. It's not bad at all. You see, now I wouldn't know if I'm censored. But since I have this camera in front of me, I can see that I am censored. And I look at this camera right here. So then I just say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Aisha Ali, and I'm back with another video. I hope you guys enjoy this upload. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This looks very clear. So you know what videos you could post. Now you know how to record the video. Next is when you're uploading the video, you need a thumbnail. For thumbnails, I use this app. I'm gonna put it right here. It's called Collage. I seen somebody post about it on TikTok and I downloaded the app. But for the app, I just use that to make the collage. And the app is very nice. Like, it can blend and blur in the lines between the thumbnails and stuff like that. And I really like that. And then I save the photo and then I put it in CapCut and then I add the text and little things like that to edit my thumbnail. Now you need a title. To make your title, based on the video that you're making, 500 other people done probably made that same video on YouTube. Search it up, see the titles, look at what you like, what you don't like, and come up with your own title. Use AI. AI is your best friend. You have something that old creators did not have. You have a tool that can literally help your channel grow. A tool that knows YouTube's algorithm and can help you create titles that work with YouTube's algorithm. Now the description, that's up to you. The description is how you want to make your description. Description also plays a part in YouTube's algorithm. So you want to make sure you're very descriptive in your description, because YouTube, the algorithm is reading your description to see what type of video it is. You have everything. Last and final thing you need for your YouTube channel is consistency and discipline. Everyone always says this. I know you probably done heard it 500 times, but the only way to grow is to consistently do something. If you consistently do YouTube videos, you're gonna get better at editing, you're gonna get better at posting, you're gonna get better at your thumbnails, you're gonna get better at everything when you're consistently doing it, and because you want it. You only could consistently do something that you want. You're gonna learn, you're gonna teach yourself, and you're gonna get it. YouTube is a very slow growth app. You really gotta literally build yourself up. People gotta want to watch. That is the game that you're playing. You're playing the long game, okay? So you gotta start now. The long game is only gonna be longer the longer you wait to start. So you gotta start today and create a schedule for yourself on your content. Create a content calendar. People will support you. You don't know who's watching you. I don't know who's watching me right now, but there's somebody out there who probably knows of me and is supporting me, and I don't even know. And if that is you and you're watching this video, thank you, because I love every time I see my views go up, my subscribership go up, someone comment on my video, I feel very appreciative, because this is really what I'm doing it for. Like, don't give up on yourself. It's hard. YouTube is very hard. It's very discouraging when you post a video and then you only have 3 views. Trust me, I know, but it's like, it's the long game. Nobody knows you right now, and that's okay, because they're gonna know you 6 months into the new year. You said you was gonna start this channel. I hope you see this video and you take it as a sign and start that channel. You could literally make a video today. You could literally, one of your videos could be titled, it could literally be titled My First YouTube Video. I literally seen a lot of those videos on my feed of people saying, this is my first YouTube video. They do a Q&A. You don't have to start off with a Q&A. I didn't start off with a Q&A because I feel like no one knows me. Unless like you're some like local celebrity in your neighborhood or something like that. No one wants to know me. So I didn't start off with a Q&A. I just started off with videos. Start watching me. Get to know me. Then you can ask questions about me. But if you don't know nothing about me, how can I do a Q&A? Who's asking the questions? So I didn't do a Q&A. Your first YouTube video don't have to be a Q&A. It could be a vlog style, and it's just my first YouTube video. You know what I'm saying? People will support you. People want to see people grow. People love people's journeys. Let me know in the comments when you post your first video so I can go check it out, support. And if you want advice on your video, I can also give that. I mean, I'm just beginning too. We're all beginning together. It's just a matter of consistency and how bad do you really want it, because this is really something that you actually have to want. But let me know in the comments when you post your first video so I can show support and check it out, and we can all support each other in the comments. More YouTubers, comment down below. Everyone could go sub to each other or something like that, because why not? Just know you got this. I believe in you. If no one believes in you, I believe in you. You are somebody important. You matter. Your story matters. What you want to share to the world matters, and you should create your content if that's what you want to do. And today is the day where you start, and you can cross that off your New Year's list. Please start today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if this video helped you out. If you have any other questions pertaining starting a YouTube channel, feel free to hit me up. If you're wondering what camera I'm using, I'm currently using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but I did not buy this camera until I got consistent on my channel. So let's start this channel that we've been supposed to start, and let's get to it, and let's get this money. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Continue to be the top-notch girl that I know you are, you know you are, and that the world should continue to see. Start that channel, Bookie. Bye, y'all.